Dear friends, I want to share something. It is very special. I have thought that recently I have read a book. You can heal your life. You can heal your life. I have read recently this book. It has touched to my heart because I'm suffering a lot due to my health issues nowadays, and even I can't sit. I am sitting. I'm trying to sit some time at chair and back support, and also the two hot water bottle back my back side and other support also. But I this is not describing myself, but it is describing the situation to everybody. Everybody has some problem in his or her life, but you must do something special in that situation, then you will win. Always you have watched my previous video, the motivation video. I always talked about the positivism, talk about the a lot of work in our life and the positive thinking like this. So I want to say one thing, the most important statement always we say, and we have heard always, and in our society, the statement is, if you can run, you must run. If you can walk, then you walk. If you cannot walk, but you can creep, then you must creep. यानी अगर रेंग सकते हो तो रेंगो. तो इस स्टेटमेंट के लिए मैंने इस बुक में कुछ चीज़ें पढ़ी हैं. तो कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हर किसी की लाइफ में हैं, और आई होप you will improve a lot in your life if you follow these things. And I want to share, the most important thing is, every thought we think is creating your future. The thing which you are thinking, it is creating your future. Even you think, you develop in your personality, and after developing your personality, it comes in your behavior, then it become your strong personality. So you must think only positive thing. Then next is, everyone has some guilt. हर आदमी में कुछ ना कुछ तो गिल्ट है. तो हम वी आर नॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर्स. वी आर ह्यूमन बींग. एवरीबडी हैज बाय नेचर समटाइम्स गिल्ट योर सेल्फ, and sometimes the mistake of others. So next thing is, you must forget your past and forgive the others and proceed towards your future. The same thing, if we follow it, then we will definitely proceed towards our career, positive thinking, good relationship, and most important thing, which is satisfaction in your life. Next, we must be willing to begin to learn to love yourself. You have watched many videos and you have listened from many persons. Then the most important thing is that if you love yourself, then you love to others. So you must love yourself. You must do for yours, then you will do others. So guys, I have learned many things. I have read twice this book, and you must follow these points. You must think positive. You must do everything you can do. Then forget your past and proceed towards your future, and love yourself, then you will love to others. आई होप आपको पसंद आएगा. बाय. जय हिंद, जय भारत.